Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into what many consider to be the best ratcheting screwdriver on the market. The Stanley Ratcheting Screwdriver with 10 bits. The Stanley Ratcheting Screwdriver is designed to make your life easier with its innovative features and solid build quality. Let's break down what makes this tool stand out. First off, let's talk about the ratcheting mechanism. This screwdriver features a top-quality, 3-position audible ratcheting system. It allows you to switch between forward, reverse, and fixed positions effortlessly, ensuring efficiency and ease of use in any task. What sets this screwdriver apart is its versatile bit selection. It comes with 10 commonly used bits, including Phillips, Physydriv, Robertson, Torx, and slotted types. These bits are made from hardened steel, ensuring durability and reliability. Another standout feature is the magnetic bit holder. This feature allows for quick and secure bit changes. It also magnetizes the bits themselves, ensuring they stay securely in place during use. The Stanley Ratcheting Screwdriver isn't just about functionality, it's designed with comfort in mind too. It features an ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during prolonged use. Storage is also well thought out. The screwdriver includes a bit storage system that keeps the bits organized, visible, and easily accessible. There's a storage compartment in the handle as well as a swivel unit that holds additional bits. For those interested in specifics, the screwdriver measures 9.06 by 3.15 x 1.57 inches and weighs 8.8 ounces. It's compact enough for easy handling yet substantial enough for robust use. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, versatile, and ergonomic ratcheting screwdriver, the Stanley Ratcheting Screwdriver with 10 bits is a top contender. It combines quality construction with practical features that make it a must-have in any toolbox. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used this screwdriver before or if you have any questions about it.